Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is MD Shuvo Khan and I'm a student of the Computer Science and Engineering Department at SUST Sylhet. Today, I am delighted to present my video assignment for economics. Chapter Plan 2.1 Utility and Choice, 2.2 Consumer Equilibrium, 2.3 Consumption Curve, and 2.4 Diamond Paradox. Chapter Outcome. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to understand utility concept, determine consumer equilibrium, analyze consumer choice and demand, resolve the water diamond paradox. In this session, we will dive into an essential concept in economics, consumer equilibrium. I will walk you through its key components, helping you understand how consumers make decisions to maximize their satisfaction within their budget constraints. Let's start. Consumer consumers equilibrium. Consumers equilibrium is the point where a consumer achieves maximum satisfaction from their consumption choices given their budget and the prices of goods. Condition marginal utility equal to prices of goods. When marginal utility is greater than prices, the consumer gains more satisfaction from the good that it costs, so they should purchase more. When marginal utility is less than price, the cost of good exceeds the satisfaction it provides, so they should purchase less. Example, if a consumer derives 10 units of utility from an additional slice of pizza, and the price is $2, they will buy more because marginal utility is greater than price. Here we discuss indifference curve and budget line. An indifference curve represents combination of two goods that provide the same level of satisfaction to the consumers. The consumer is indifferent between this combination. Properties of IC curve. Downward sloping indicates that as you consume more of one good, you must consume less of another to maintain the same satisfaction. Convex to the origin reflects the law of diminishing marginal rate of substitution, MRS, meaning as you consume more of one good, you are willing to give up less of the other good. Higher curves equal to higher satisfaction. Curves further from the origin represent higher levels of utility. No intersection. Two different curves cannot intersect as it would imply inconsistent level of satisfaction. Graphical representation. Draw two goods on the axis, good x-axis and good y-axis. Plot several indifference curves, IC1, IC2, IC3 to show different intersection levels. Marginal rate of substitution, MRS. Marginal rate of substitution at which a consumer is willing to substitute one good for another while maintaining the same level of satisfaction. Some mathematical expression MRS equal to del y by del x, where del y means change the quantity of good y and del x change the quantity of good x. Example, if a consumer is willing to give up two donuts for 1 cup of coffee, their MRS is 2. This means they value coffee more as they consume more donuts. MRS typically decrease a consumer's moves along an indifference curve due to the law of diminishing MRS. This means the more of good X consumed, the less of good Y the consumers willing to give up. Understanding consumer equilibrium helps business set prices and predict consumer behavior. Marketers can tailor products to meet consumer preference based on utility analysis. We see graphical analysis, practice drawing budget lines and indifference curves to visualize how changes in income or prices affects consumer choice. Identify the tangential point where the budget line touches the highest indifference curve indicating optimal consumption. Here with some important keywords. Consumers aim to maximize utility within their budget constraints. Indifference curves and MRS are essential tools for understanding consumers' preference and choices. The equilibrium condition guides consumers in making optimal purchasing decision. Thank you, everyone.